Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek behind the scenes of where I film. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go someplace cool, I'm definitely going to film a vlog about it. If you have any DIY projects around the house, including assembling IKEA furniture and smart home stuff, I'll film a video about that too. And if I learn something new in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'll definitely do up a tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So I have a lot of people tell me when they're starting YouTube that they just don't have a spot to film. They don't have an office in their house, they don't have a room, they don't have an area, they don't have a studio, they don't have a garage. So today I'm going to show you that that doesn't matter. You just need to pick your favorite chair or your favorite couch, the end of your bar or your computer desk, and the way that you frame your shot and the lens that you use. You don't need to worry about everything else that's going on. So let's get started with this video and I'll show you what's around me right now. So it definitely looks a little bit different. Now you get to see everything that's going on. So you're not quite as focused in on me, you're kind of looking at everything else that's around. So by framing in and just focusing on me, by changing the lens up a little bit, you can get a completely different look to your videos. All right, on to more behind the scenes. Let's head to filming location number 2. So if you've been following along the channel, you've definitely seen me here before. This is where I unbox cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. So this is what you normally see, a small little area, just enough to see me and whatever I'm unboxing. But what you don't see is this is behind the scenes. So you have the overhead camera, you have the ring light, you have the dining room over there, you have the entire space. So as you can see, by simply selecting a different lens and cropping off an area, you can totally change the look of your film and show your audience exactly what you want them to see. So if you're unboxing something and this is what you want to concentrate on, then you don't show all of this, you just focus down here on this. So when I'm filming tutorial videos using Adobe Premiere Elements, this is what you see. So this is the part you don't see, the rest of the office. So now you get to see I have a couple key lights here and here shining up at the ceiling. Also see I have a ring light over here, kind of giving some side light, put a little bit of a shadow on my face. You see the bookcase, which probably doesn't show up in many of the other videos. The computer, the printer. I don't know if you can see the pictures on the wall with that lens, but you get to see a whole lot more. So as you can see, using a different type of lenses, doesn't matter where you are in your house, you can usually cut it down so that you're only seeing a very small portion of that. So this is a great example showing how 2 different lenses can give a whole different feeling to a space. And if you want to focus in on a certain area of that space, using a different type of lens, like in my case a 35mm lens, is going to achieve that for you and make your videos look completely different. So as you can see, those were 3 different locations that I film in within my house. I don't actually have a dedicated studio or a dedicated spot to film. I'm just using what I have around me. By changing up your lens or changing your framing, you can easily adapt whatever areas that you already have in your own house right now. So if you like this video, make sure you head down below, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And if there's something you'd like to see on this channel for future videos, make sure you leave a comment down below too. And until next time, take it easy out there.